Good day, everyone. I am Teacher Roan. Today, we are going to discuss the midpoint of a segment in the coordinate plane. So, if you do not know what a midpoint is and how to get the midpoint of a segment in a number line, I will link the video on that on the description box below. Now, if you're ready, then get your pen and your paper and let's go. So let's review the rectangular coordinate plane. A rectangular coordinate plane is a two-dimensional plane used to locate points. It is made up of two perpendicular number lines, the x-axis and the y-axis. So the x-axis, the horizontal axis, and the y-axis, the vertical. And that they intersect at the origin 0, 0. So here is an example of a rectangular coordinate plane. How about the midpoints of segments? Let's review. So the midpoint is the exact center between 2 points on a rectangular coordinate plane. It divides the segment into two equal parts. So the formula of midpoint is m equals, okay, so the midpoint is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2, where x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2 are the coordinates of the two endpoints. Notice that the formula for the coefficient, okay, for the x coefficient and the y coefficient is similar to the formula of getting the midpoint of segments in a number line. Okay, so let's have some example. Okay, example number 1. Find the midpoints of A, negative 2, 1, and B, 3, 3. So this is the rectangular coordinate plane. So this is A, which is negative 2, 1, and this is B, 3, 3. So this is the segment. So given x sub 1 equals negative 2, so that is the x-coordinate of A, and then x sub 2 equals 3, that is the x-coordinate of B, which is the first number in the ordered pair. Okay, and then y sub 1 equals 1, and y sub 2 equals 3. So, all we need to do is we use the formula. Okay, so notice that in the formula, we just add the um, coordinates of x divided by 2 and add the coordinates of y divided by 2. So, we have x sub m equals negative 2 plus 3, okay, divided by 2. That is equal to 1 half. And then y sub m, which is the coordinate of y in the midpoint. So, that is 1 plus 3 over 2. So, that is 4 over 2, 2. So, the answer is, okay, the midpoint is at 1 half, 2. If we're going to plot that midpoint, that would be this point, and this is the midpoint. Now, here is example number 2. Find the midpoint of x, 0, 2, and y, negative 4, 6. So, first, let us plot these points. So, x is at 0, 2. So, this is 0, 2. And then, y is at negative 4, 6. So, this is negative 4, 6. And then, we connect it with a segment. So, given x sub 1 equals 0, x sub 2 equals negative 4. Again, these are the x-coordinates of x and x-coordinate of point y. Okay, y sub 1 equals 2 and y sub 2 equals 6. In the formula, okay, we just add the x-coordinates divided by 2 and the y-coordinates divided by 2. So, let's start with the x-coordinate first. So, that is 0 plus negative 4 divided by 2. So, that's negative 4 divided by 2. So, that's negative 2. And the y-coordinates, which is, okay, 2 plus 6. So, that would be 8 divided by 2, each is 4. So the answer is negative 2, 4. So we locate that point. So this is the midpoint at negative 2, 4. Now let's discuss the next example. Find the midpoint of m, 1, negative 2, and n, 4, 2. So first, we locate this point. So m, 1, negative 2 is here. So that's 1, negative 2, m. And then n, 4, 2. So we connect this with a segment. So let's write the given. So x sub 1 equals 1, x sub 2 equals 4. Notice that these are the x-coordinates of m and n. Similarly, the y-coordinates of m and n are y sub 1 equals negative 2 and y sub 2 equals 2. Now we use the formula. So again, we add the x-coordinates divided by 2 and then the y-coordinates divided by 2. So the x-coordinate is 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So that is 5 divided by 2 or 2.5 or 2 in 1 half. Okay, and then for the y-coordinates, that's negative 2 plus 2 divided by 2. So negative 2 plus 2, okay, cancel each other out. So that's 0 over 2. So that is 0. So the midpoint is at 2.50. So we locate it in the coordinate plane. So this is the midpoint. 2.50. So this is how we determine the coordinates of the midpoints of segments in a coordinate plane. So if you learn something from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye!